What's up guys, Shug Bricks here. Today I'm opening 12 packs of the brand new Marvel Minifigures CMF series. These have been felt and I'm hoping for a complete series, but you never know. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, first pack here. Let's open it up. First pack is Zombie Hunter Spider-Man. Alright, here we got Zombie Hunter Spider-Man. This guy's got a lot of nice printing on the arms, as you can see. Very nice. Torso printing, amazing. Other arms, same. The leg printing, even. Dual molded legs. On to the next pack. We got Falcon as Captain America. And here's Sam Wilson as Captain America. Very cool figure. Very detailed printing on the arms and the legs. Great new hairpiece. Bag number 3. We got Wanda. Alright, next up here we got Wanda. It's a really cool character. On to bag 4. And we got Zombie Captain America. Nice. Here's Zombie Captain America. Another really cool figure to have. Very detailed printing. 4 down, 8 to go. Let's see who we got. Loki with Throg. Here we got Loki with his TVA mug. And an awesome new piece for Throg with very great printing all around. The variant logo on the back of Loki is awesome as well. Very good figure. Pack 6. Oh, it looks like it's Sylvie. Alright, here's Sylvie from TV show Loki. A little unfortunate that she doesn't have leg printing, but otherwise, great figure with alligator Loki. Alright, I'm 6 for 6 so far. Let's see if I can keep the streak going. Let's see who it is. Gamora as Thanos. Here we got Gamora as Thanos with just another excellent figure. Pack number 9. Yes, Bucky Barnes. Here we got Bucky Barnes. Not very detailed figure, well, compared to the others, but still a really nice one to have. Sorry guys, Bucky was actually the 8th pack. This is the 9th one. Oh no. Looks like we got a duplicate. On duplicates, we're just gonna build the bare minimum. Still, great figure to have a second one of. 8 different ones so far and 1 duplicate. Let's see what we can do. White cape. Looks like Vision. Yes. So here we got White Vision with his nicely printed laptop. It's a very detailed figure as well. It's too bad he doesn't have the blue eyes from the show. 2 packs left. Let's see what's inside. Yes. Monica Rambeau. So here we got Monica Rambeau from WandaVision. Kind of disappointing that it wasn't Agatha, but still a pretty good figure. Nice new hairpiece. It comes with the red helicopter. Alright guys, 1 pack left. All we're missing is T'Challa, Star-Lord, and Captain Carter. Can't get them both, but let's see what we do get. Oh, another White Vision. Like I said before, no accessories for duplicates, but still, great figure. Also, if you were wondering, each one of these bags comes with one of these, which looks like this. Has a checklist for all the characters, starting with Wanda, or the Scarlet Witch, and going to White Vision, Monica Rambeau, all from WandaVision, and Bucky Barnes, and Sam Wilson as Captain America from Falcon and Winter Soldier, Loki and Sylvie from Loki, and Zombie Hunter Spidey, Zombie Captain America, Captain Carter, T'Challa Star-Lord, and Gamora as Thanos from What If. On the back, we have instructions on how to put a few of them together. Well, there you have it, everyone. That's my 12-pack opening of the Marvel Studios minifigure series. Unfortunate that we got 2 duplicates in White Vision and Zombie Hunter Spider-Man, but hopefully I can get the next 2 next time. Comment below what is your favorite figure. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video. See y'all in the next one.